I'm Charles Payne, and you're watching Making Money, a big day in the market. And the stock of the day, Biogen, popped on news of developments with their treatment for Alzheimer's disease. Look at this stock. Huge day. The news sent the drug from phase 1 to phase 3 development. Now, Wall Street, well, everyone seems to be jumping on the bandwagon. Take a look at this. These are your old targets, and now everybody's saying, hey, this could be a $500 stock or a $512 stock. All of the big names out there, Piper, Cowen, Credit Suisse, Barclays, Citigroup. But here's the beautiful thing, guys. You had it first, right? We've been talking about this stock and this sector in this show. And guess what? We're going to follow up tonight because biotech is still hot. Listen, everybody wants to live to be 120 if we can do it without pain and agony. This sector is getting us there. Oh, and speaking of longevity, the rally picked up steam today. Could be on the cusp now of a major breakout for all of the indices. And, well, one day is going to be big news on Main Street. But for now, let's check in with Nicole Petaliti. She's going to give us a pulse of the floor with the traders because I want to know where they think the next leg of this market is going to take us. Nicole.
Well, the pulse of the floor. You're right, Charles. Another rally on Wall Street. Ted, what do you make of it? I mean, the individual investor, do you think they should be investing for the long term?
Well, I tell you what, I think the rally is actually quite remarkable because I think a week ago, I know we chatted about it, I was certainly nervous and negative, and I suspect to a certain degree I still am, but boy, you can't fight the tape, and the tape is pretty spectacular.
What about the regular person then? I mean, I know it's volatile, I know it's crazy, it's tough to stomach sometimes.
Well, that's an interesting question. We at Seaport, we have a lot of retail investors and online trading product. We've never seen a real uptick in business since the crash of 08 and 09. I think the damage that was done in 08 and 09 scared people to death, and I think a lot of folks have never come back, and here we have a market that's tripled.
But they should?
Well, I mean, yeah, clearly, if we could trade with 20/20 hindsight, absolutely. And I would also add, the only mistakes that we've made, always being cautious, have not been stocks that we bought, but have been the stocks that we've sold.
That's the pulse of the market. Charles Payne, back to you and your team there.
That's more than the pulse of the market. That's sage wisdom from a guy who's been there, done that. I hope people hear that every time they think about panicking. Hey, here.